Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. Yes, we've got this. I'm giggling at Bob thing. I didn't see him say time for you to go lose money in London. Rude. Just saying. Oh, so rude. Anyways, now I'm a mess. Everything's a mess. But we're gonna do this anyways. Why? Because we can. Sorry, the only reason I'm putting the headband back on is also my glasses fall and irritate me, so it's good. I'm gonna do the headband. Ta-da! I'm still a mess, but it's okay. Oh. This is gonna be an interesting day. Just kidding, it's actually been quite productive. I've been having very much fun. English. Very much fun. Cool. I see we took out a bucket load of stuff. Yassine, what's up? How are we doing? How goes it? Good morning. / evening. Wherever you at. Hi. Guess it always depends on where you at. Hey. Amazing. I'm glad that you are good. How have you been trading? Hey, little Nom. What's up, little Nom? Oh, that's adorable. Sassy. What's up? How's it going, Bob? Don't think I didn't see your comment, you rude meanie banini. Good grief. Time to go lose money in London, rude. I could be a winner chicken dinner. But this here would have been rude. Oh. Rough. That either would have just missed or would have taken me out before going back down. Anyways, I see that this had a huge impact, so that's cool. Your clothes there. Okay. First things first, let's mark out all the shenanigans that, yeah. Oh, wait! Asia didn't move that much. Oh, we have hope. We have hope for today. Let's do this. London is terrible. The 360 trading Asia. Really? Oh, I thought Asia looked meh today compared to like yesterday and things. What's up, Bella? How you doing? Turtle on eyes. Oh. Weird. Sorry, I'm saying weird about my. Go open. This just looks like a so. Okay, then daily. Okay, let's go to midnight. Midnight. Okay, midnight open. Right here. Texty text. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. Gold dipped way too bad. Oh no. Boom, just passed 350k accounts in 5 days. Thought I'll give prop firms a go. Damn! That is a... What? That's amazing! Which prop did you end up going for, Bella? What's my reaction to gold being dipped? Luckily for me, not much. I just trade what I see in front of me. And I don't trade gold, so yeah. It was good for me. Oh, so far so good. Can't complain. Thomas Cheetah. No, I'm kidding. What's up? How you doing? Ah, welcome. For anyone that has indeed just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Okay. Let's now mark out the chaos. So. Previous day high. Well, New York high. Let's not say previous day high. Here's New York high. Did I mark out previous? Oh, I did not. Should mark this out. This is previous day high. I'm gonna leave it like that. Actually, Let's do EDH. So London low has definitely been yes. I was like, wait, I might lie now. Let's mark out these zones. Call them pivot points and end. Okay. Asia high. Right here. That, to be fair, Bob, this was some decent bob to bob action in London. Just saying. Asia high. Okay, so Asia low was taken, but I'm gonna still mark out these. Damn, okay. Don't think that's gonna matter too much soon anyway, so it's fine. 1, 2, 3, cool. Now, top to bottom analysis. Ready, steady, let's do this thing. So daily. Top step and bought 3 Apex accounts. We're working on them now. Nice. Bella, what are you doing with the funded accounts? Oh, nothing right now. What's up, Shadyfied? How you doing? And Brandon. Croix. Is it supposed to be like croissants? Competitors official. Hi. How you doing? Hello. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? How you been, chicken wing? We're gonna pretend I'm normal and that was a normal thing to say. Okay. Okay, so much for me thinking the highs would be I mean, it did get close. It's kind of created relative equal highs. Oh, there's a lot of relative equal highs on the daily. Are we gonna come back down to take this out first though? Potentially. Okay, this is going to annoy me today. A new day, a new opportunity to make money. Right, Shady? I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, 4 hour. I forgot where I was. Did you see that moment of eh? What's up, Debbie? How you doing? Just pass, not sure what to do. New to prop firm stuff. I'll probably get the Apex accounts through first. Does Apex... Sorry, I don't really know Apex very well. Does Apex have activation fees and things? I'm good. Need 40 cents for the day at least. That's not bad. That's really, really good, actually. Daily choppy. I would just love the daily to get out of the damn little... I don't even know what to call it. Just it's a range, but it's chaos. Rangy chaos. Anyways. Do I listen to AC/DC? Yeah, sometimes. Not like their #1 fan, but I don't... Yeah. I do like that type of music. Hey, Ron, what's up? You're in a short-term long on NQ, okay? The weld. Nope, and I can pass them one day, so we'll be pushing them hard tonight if my setup appears. Okay. So then you fund it, then you can trade on the funded, and then if... Well, again, like I said, I don't quite know the rules, but on the funded, then you can start getting payouts and things. Heyo, Leo, what's up? Disgusting range right there. Yep. I'm hoping maybe we see something different. Does this low-key look like an M formation? You would like to have seen it maybe swept the top there slightly, but on the 4 hour, let's zoom in. We did come close this imbalance. Sorry, I have hiccups, but we did come close this imbalance. Oh, this is gonna drive me crazy. Now there's all this imbalance to the top with this very nice order block over here. Well, doji over here. It could come back up, tap into the doji, and then go back down if it wants to fill all of this imbalance on the 4 hour. 1 hour. But I mean, you can't deny that it... Well, okay, no. I was gonna say Asia was bullish, but kind of sideways bullish. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty, Roo then. Like at least back up to here. This could be quite a nice spot. What's this? 998. Freak, it's gonna go back to 25, isn't it? 25 level such a pain. I feel like that's where it's just been stuck for so long. Okay, so that's the 1 hour. Let's check 15 minute. Let it cook. Having breakfast quickly so I can go suffer. That's valid. Hey, all you, what's up? Buy side liquidity looks good. Is that yeah, sorry, I call it, that took me a minute, but MNQ, I call it MNQ, but I guess you could call it NQM, the micros, yeah? Why do you still trade? Okay. Bye-bye, I use ICT concepts. And let people do what they gotta do. If they are profitable using ICT, let them continue. Doesn't matter. If he's not making money from his concepts, but other people are, doesn't that make him low-key good? You know, if you can't do teach, and then maybe he's just a really good teacher. Those ranging equal lows will be swept before retracing back. Oh, kiss me, that's actually valid. That's actually valid. So you think it might just dip down and then go back up? Everybody's suffering. Yeah, see, and you think NQ is gonna go down, down. Going down, 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 down. Sorry. You guys are gonna get random bursts of songs because I was jamming to some old school music earlier. So, good luck to all y'all today. Okay, so sorry, 15 minute looks disgusting zoomed in. There is nothing nice here. Like I said, it might come take out. Well, like, no, I didn't say it. Who said it? Kiss me? Said it. Hey Flash, what's up? That's a lot of freaking coffee. Yes. It's called finding my personality. Sorry, I had to do the uncomfortable eye contact while I did that. Anyways, Fish Doctor. The afternoon fall was good for the port. Nice. Pepito. Hi. How you doing? How you doing? Ooh. It's getting worse. Okay. Bear sounds right. You still. Hey, what's up, beans on toast? I'm slightly offended that Fall Out Boy can be called old school already. No. I'm not calling them old school. Sorry. They're not old school. They're not old school. They are not old school. When I say, like, I was jamming to some old Miley Cyrus, like when she was like a itty bitty teenager type Miley Cyrus songs, and I was just like, wow. It was low-key cringe, but I was jamming. I was having fun. Wolverine. I took 32R alone. What? Dump or pump? Mr. John, to be fair, I think this is going to dump slightly and then start pumping, but I could be wrong. It's just what I predict, but hey ho, you know, what do I know? Hey ho, what do I know? That's gonna be my new freaking thing. You know, you can suspect all you want when it comes to the charts, doesn't mean it's gonna listen to you. Okay, let's pop this back up. There we go, let it find its thing. Okay, that's done. Why was there? Oh, it's further down here. So some decent sell side liquidity. That was a decent wick. I don't quite know if this would be going bob to bob, though. Not enough oomph. Being said, let me have a quick look here. Oh, I feel I'm most likely too late. Oof, and I would have missed. You need that to wake up a little bit higher. No. Sorry, actually. Entry would have better entry would have been down here. Better entry would have been here. Oh, wrong freaking way. Let's see. Better entry would have been there. I don't know where I would have placed the stop loss. Let's say I would have placed it there with 1 to 2 are. Would this have been an A+ setup? 1, 2... Never mind. Would have been a B setup. Let's see if it would have worked. Hey, what's up, Camilla? How you doing? Damn near a quad bottom. New freaking thing. I'd be surprised if we reverse the previous day entire candle. Vala, I'm low-key thinking that, but I think it wants to sweep the lows first before it does that. I got a PM short yesterday before getting a 24730 sell side. Nice, Leo, that's really good. Major London and Europe. Ba-ba-ba-bam. It's 20 years ago. It's old school. Oh. It's 20 years ago. No, it can't be 20 years ago. That doesn't sound right, Vincent. Are you sure? But no, that's good. Looks like a sell pump. Really? You think so? If London does not sweep Asia, we are on good old liquidity. Gold is gonna go up right now. Mohammed, do you think so? Apparently. Oh, damn. Okay. Might be. Get it. B setup. Sometimes I'm funny. Let's see what this does. Ironically, sorry, I did that to coincide, whatever, with the fair value gap. I've been wanting to check out how it reacts specifically to these on the 1 minute. I mean, that's not a bad doji right there. Interesting. What does this look like on the 5 minute? Yep. Nah, still struggling to break. I think the buyers are wanting to come into play, just... yeah. Let's see what we get here. Okay, wait. That was 2000. I'm listening to it now. Has the same age gap as listening to 80s album. Oh my gosh. Maybe a dip down to 24520 to pick up the fair value gap. Sell-side liquidity needs to fill at some point. Gold for sure will go up. It's just tasting the area. Interesting. What time is it for me? It is 9:09 in the morning. Shorts from top. Yes, there you go. Short for the flush. Chasing speed running. What's the difference? Hope I took shorts last night. No, I wasn't here for when. Seriously, guys, I'm convinced the market waits for me to leave, and then it's like, now's the opportunity. Liquidity level tapped and asked, was it a displacement or rejection that happened? Right after that, you can then work on your entry model. Okay, wait, liquidity level tapped, then asked, was it displacement or rejection that happened right after that? Then you can work on your entry. Interesting, good point. Mr. John, there's debates about that. Some would say no, London has not started and will not start yet for another 50 minutes. Others will say yes, it started. Unless you scalp but won't aim for any high. Well, my secret indicators. Oh, you got secret. Flash, damn. I think he'll be ranging for the last 2 hours, so hopefully get a move soon. Oh yes, it has been. I know, Debbie, I saw that Asia was low-key sideways and I was like, maybe London will bring some oomph today. My chart says London session. No. Let's not open that can of worms, okay? We can all say 100% for certain that London opens at this time in 2 weeks' time. For now, there's debates. Literally 50-50. I did a poll. It was very interesting. I felt just as old when that fact hit me. I was preschool now. I've been working 10 years already. Oh. Vincent, I've been out. I graduated high school 10 years ago. Huh. Okay, so it looks like it would have been good. But it was a B setup. Interesting. Not a bad setup then. Yeah. Look at that. Okay then. London sessions have been having their own paradox the past week. Dennis, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, welcome, welcome. To anyone that's just arrived.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I think daylight savings has it screwed up. Listen, it. Ah, oh, Pawan, thank you. Full up, boy. We're going down, down. Exactly. I'll stay safe. Ah, bye, Vala. Enjoy. Secrets means don't tell no one. It's already March 19th, so I will open it up. Yeah. I graduated college 10 years ago. Damn, Vincent. Impressive. Impressive. Rookie numbers. Noob numbers. Be better, scrub. June, trading is so easy. Okay, so are you a millionaire then? No, only take A+ setups. No negotiation. True. True. It was not A+. So it is what it is. I got a little bit of liquidity. Wait, where's this major liquidity? I should maybe actually mark this out. Okay. I have that marked there so I can see exactly where it is. This is where I think it's most likely headed for. Is this here A+? It is not A+. No, definitely not A+. And again, this is another B setup that has formed here. Pity. Sorry, this is more out of curiosity more than anything else. Okay, that would have been a partial break even. That ironically was an A+ setup over here. Huh, anyways. I mean, it would have worked, just... yeah. The 3 AM candle opened like a freaking bang. Gonna mark that out there. Just got roasted by my... I'm so sorry, that's not what I'm sorry, I let the South African out of its cage. I'll put her back. Top is it? Always good entries to get W. Shorts under VWAP. Over 100 points is a good setup. Aw, 2 cent trading, what's up? How you doing? Go hi, guys. This happens twice a year for 2 weeks. Markets go out of sync till the world settles. Every spring and autumn it happens. Only time frame that shows it is 4-hour high. Everyone, do you think it's going lower? Hey, Anush. Well, so far... Ooh, wait, okay. I just took out this liquidity. Let's see what it does now. This might be the... This might be it. It might have one more pop down and then go back up. Let's see. Yeah, best to find place for volume profile breakout, then coming back you can win. Find balance where volume profile breaks out. Okay, coming back you can win. 6% win ratio at least. Nice. How long have you been trading for, June? I'm so sorry. I'm surprised you're still here after I was so mean to you. I'm sorry about that. Anyways. Shady Field, let it cook. Ngo, you're trying for the reversal. Let me zoom out slightly here. also just go to the higher time frame, right? Okay. Check the 5 minute. That out. Ew. Look at all these blue. $553. Ah, that's why you're saying the 550, hey, because it goes into that fair value gap. I mean, that's quite a solid spot. Gonna mark out here as well. Let's see if it heads there. Or if it's just created like a double bottom on the higher time frame and it's gonna just go up, up and away now. Let's see, that was not a bad push. Oh, there's the push. There was a push. That was decent. I think the main difference between Australia and South Africa is we have kangaroos and you have lions. Our accent is almost the same. But not, and the time, and the time difference. Oh, this is gonna drive me mental. And obviously the time difference, right? And I wouldn't even say we have lions. We have, I guess we just have chaos over here sometimes. 15 years, 20 account, FX prop trading, and FTM. Nice. Trading journey. What's up? How you doing? He's and then sells. You have tigers. But we don't have tigers here. We have lions. We have the big five. We got the lions, buffalo, rhino, elephant. I'm missing one. Leopards. There we go. Big five. What's up, Samuel? I'm gonna switch it up today and trade. Why? Nah, we don't have do we? No, we don't have tigers here. I mean, at like zoos, yes, but not wild tigers. Roar, folks. We basically got like everything else though. I was about to say joy. Yeah, monkeys though. I could hear them yesterday. Thank you, Kobe. Some guy keeps saying it's in my head, and I'm just like, that's mean. What's in your head? Damn it. Okay. Potentially back to VWAP here. So it's headed to VWAP on ES. Let's see if it gets a bit of a rejection. Damn, that was a solid weight. Entry on that wick. Ugh. Sugar honey iced tea. It might pop into. Damn, this is running away. Wait, come back. I wasn't ready. Come back. Come back. Like Rose on the Titanic. Problem. Kind of. No, that's not solved. That's irritating. Okay, my cats think they're panthers. Other than that, no big cats. Okay. Sorry, that was gonna drive me mental. Okay. Okay. Done. Potential A+. I know, that's what I was looking at. Let's see. Definitely a potential A+. Reset here. Decent there. Might need to tap back down a little bit further. Okay, basically back into VWAP. It tapped into that order block on the 5 minute. Actually, let's check 15 as well. Well, on the 15 it just hit a freaking resistance level. Anyways. Let's see what type of oomph we come back down with. I mean, one... two... I'm saying oh no because technically there's only two confluences. And that volume balance here is not ideal. You'd want the volume balance a little bit lower. Solid rejection off of there. I don't have a good feeling about this. Just tapped into an order block on the higher time frames. The 15-minute looks gross. Shady, be careful, guys. My eye's having a really... Is it really bad or really good? Because it looks good, it's just not listening. I don't know what's worse. Nicer volume for... 100% Kobe. Definitely better volume. Oh, thank you. Wrinkly hair. Wrinkly hair? Wrinkly hair. I don't think I've ever heard that before, but I'll take it. Okay. Yeah, not quite the tap. Yep. I plan your trading and trade your plans. Yeah, it looks great. Thank you, 2-cent trading. I know, but that's the thing. I've looked at it. It's not A+. Yeah, it's not A+. I don't like the rejection of the bob level either. Maybe this works out now, but I would not call this an A+ setup. On any of the time frames, unfortunately. I mean, on the 5 it was closer to an A+ setup, but it still wasn't A+. Ironically, this was more of an A+. Oh, would have missed. Would have worked, but would have missed. See a little tap into there. No. I feel like my face says enough for that one. Hey Larry, what's up? Probably rain shift for, but no, Louis, don't be a negative Nancy. Say it's gonna be amazing. See, it is kind of in a range, especially on the 15-minute. How many of your A+ setups failed and how many B setups worked? I guess. The problem is how many B setups also failed. You know? Lullaby, I'm new here. Whatever, son. Everyone quick like the... Thank you. I mean, let's see if this works. If it does hammer, then you have a point. I just don't like that it tapped into VWAP, basically. Tapped into VWAP. Had a rejection of the midpoint of this bob level. And came down with some force. I could be wrong, maybe it works out perfectly and then I'll bite my tongue, but so far, bit of a rejection off of there again and rejected off of there again. Celestial, emotional. What do you mean emotional damage? For what? For why? For who? I don't know how to trade. I was just wondering how many trades you rejected because it's not good enough. That's fair, right? But But do you take lots of trades that could be really bad, or only a few trades with higher probability of winning? That makes sense? Does that make sense? I hear what you're saying. Celestial, no, I was off already when that short happened. The viral moments, what's up? I'm good, how are you? I'm here to learn from... Hello, Trade Gang. What's up, Logan? How goes it? How goes it? Are you doing amazing? Oh, this is a Bob's Bob. Look like on the 5. Bottom of that wick entry. This could be a Bob to Bob level. Let's see. Sorry, just on the 1 minute were those solid confirmations for Bob to Bob. Could range here a bit, but I think this could be going... That's nearly a 3R trade right there. What time are we looking at? 3:27. God. Your boy caught 600 points on the live. Damn, Celestial, that's amazing! So there's better than B, because if you're more confident to take it, even if it fails, you know that you followed your trading plan. There we go, Shadyfied. I'm doing well, come listen to this stream today. Aww! A viral moment, you're such a sweetie pie. I love asking things that make you put your hands together and think that I know it triggered something. Yeah. The brain went, wait. Being African, have you tried hunting for bushmeat? No, Eddie, no. And I don't think I ever could, to be fair. I am way too much of a bunny hugger. Literally. I actually went pescatarian for a little bit because of it. Don't hate me, guys. I wasn't like one of those that's in your face about it. But I literally did it. But unfortunately for me, my iron is... So doing that was really, really bad for me. I got really, really sick, unfortunately. Oh well. My secret tip is that I just invert trade Maya and then I let it run. That did it. That...
Emotional damage.
That did it. Oh my gosh. I lost my Lucid account on a stupid... No! Is it fun? It is. What's up? Maya going in hot. Yes, I called it on London yesterday. Stream and call. I'm just passing through, but I hope your stream goes well. Sending positive vibes from New Zealand. No insurance. What's up? Thank you. That's so sweet of you. Okay, so I would be in this trade now. Oh, it's not the best confirmation, but it's a confirmation, so let's see what this does. Maya's not a hunter at all. How did you know, Hammer? How did you know? That was the best. Do it again. Oh, you guys don't know I have these. I have
Emotional damage.
and this one I haven't been able to use this one often, but
That's what she said.
it's one of my favorites. I think it's funny. Let's see if this works. I'm not brave enough to trade Bob to Bob levels during London yet, but I think today is the day that during New York I'm going to try with 1 micro Bob to Bob level. Let's do this. Like I said, not brave enough to do it in London yet. I don't think London has enough of just enough behind it, but yeah. I just got violated by the celestials coming. A little bit. That was a bit mean. Hey, Mr. Rhythm, what's up? That might sweep higher. Let's see, it's going to 500. You are so confident that it's going to 500. What if it does not go to 500? Where's Jane? Jane will yell at you. 11. Yeah, no. I would cry. You know, once like an ex-boyfriend of mine tried to like step on a bug. I literally rugby tackled him. I was like, leave it alone. That is so unnecessary. Anyways, what did that shoe ever do? The point drop is A+ setup. Do you know what an A+ setup means? I wasn't watching it, thought you impersonated it. No, can you imagine? Should I attempt to? Would that be low-key funny? I'm a little bit scared. I don't think I would do a very good job at impersonating it. Boom. I don't know if I'm brave enough to take the bob to bob level in London just yet. London hasn't had enough oomph and it's been a little bit choppy. New York, I'm going to, today will be the day I'm going to try a bob to bob level, but only one that I'm like, this is it. And if it obviously presents itself. Ah, nice, Louis. Shopping style signals, yeah. Like I said, I'm not disagreeing with you. This would be my trade. Entry would have been there. That would have been entry for this trade. Let's see what it does. The other one that was a B setup was this for a long. Like I said, I didn't like the rejection and it just tapped into VWAP and went down. Didn't respect anything over here. To be slowly headed towards stop loss. So, phew. Hey Pipstar, what's up? How are we doing? Wait. Okay, Mr. John, if someone does emotional damage again, I'll try impersonating it instead of using the meme. Oh, thanks for subscribing, Lee. Also like animals, love them. Medium. I didn't think that would happen so soon. I'm gonna use a bow tie. No. Should I use a bow tie? No, I can't slap my little penguin down, so bow tie. Wait. You have to slap it. Let me take this out. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna be. This is why I could never be an actress. I get all weird when I have to do this. Emotional damage. Nope, see, butchered it. Absolutely butchered it. I'll do the real thing. You can see how badly I butchered it.
Emotional damage.
Oh gosh. I'm really ashamed to ask, but what the heck is bob to bob level? I'm an intraday trader episode. Don't really know. Oh, shady-fied. So bob to bob is it's not ICT at all. So it's something that one of these amazing viewers, I think he's asleep now, actually came up with. Do you see all these shaded areas here? If I zoom out, do you see all of them? Those are the bob levels, right? I can't give away too much because it's some secret source stuff. I'll just say it's institutional levels. If you go back, you'll see that it tends to go, not always, obviously not everything's 100%, and you have to wait for correct confirmations, but bob to bob, back down to bob levels, and then you can kind of see it almost sometimes ranges in these levels. Bob to bob, bob to bob. That was actually a really nice trade there. This one just failed. That would have sucked. This is the one I forward tested for New York yesterday, that bob to bob level. That was my break even trade. I was not keen on it for the fact that it had reached the bob level, believe it or not. But you can see how it tends to respect these zones. Let's maybe call them zones. But yeah, that's bob to bob. So you can see how I've set it up. TP is at this bob level. Like I said, this is nearly a 1 to 3 hour trade happening right now. Like I said, that's some secret sauce. But if you want, I can show you. He does have these levels on gold. It is a free indicator as well, because he's a sweetie pie. Here we go. For anyone that trades gold, if you want to try it out. I haven't checked it, I haven't forward tested it, so I'm not sure what the exact like parameters would be for the gold, but check. Gold. Up. It actually went all the way up, tapped into it, a little bit of a rejection off of it. Just went straight down. There's that nice rejection. Ooh, actually. Entry for this would have looked something like this, in all honesty. Big engulfing, wait for the retest. To be top there. 1.42 R, not bad. Not bad. You know, they don't have to be hectic R's, but they just tend to, I mean, like I said, look at this. Down. It was slow, but it went there. Straight down, basically straight back up. If you guys want to test this, you can check it out. It's called Bob's Gold Rush as an indicator. Yeah, for anyone that trades gold, if you want to check it out, it's pretty cool. And that's basically what I've been forward testing. So I haven't taken a trade on it yet. I went and I had a session with Bob and we like went through what the confirmations and what you should look out for. And yeah, this would be this trade. Basically, that would have been entry. When going, oh, it's just missed this. There's a fair value gap down here. So the question is it going to quickly tap back into it or not? It's another B setup over there. Dag nabbit. I give you an 8 for effort. Thank you, Hammer. I'll take the 8 for effort. Did you let your Discord know you have an impersonator? Watch out, guys. Scammers took no time to message me. I think there's a rat in your Discord. I know, Logan. And I've even tried to ban them before, which means they've just come back. I've literally banned them before. So if anyone is on the Discord, if you're having a conversation with me, if it's super formal and looks like it's been copy-pasted, it ain't me. Just go into roles and see if it has like owner there. If it doesn't, it's not me. Okay. For anyone that is part of the Discord. See if this unicorn comes topside. Brockler Y-Web. Go hunt your dream, what's up? How's everyone doing? I'm sorry if sorry if I haven't responded to anyone's message. My bad. Be here till it hits 500, then night. Okay. 500. Let's mark this level out here. Let's see if it hits. I'm not entirely convinced. Well, let's see. I mean, it's still early. We still have plenty of time. No source code for Gold Rush. What do you mean, Eddie? I'm still in trade, still holding. Looks promising. Well, it depends on where your TP is at. And it sells target the next bar. Added my trade to our general trend. Really, Louis? Let me check. Nice. Very, very nice. So I was just looking at the setups that everyone has up there, which is awesome. Oh no. Seriously, how was that the one freaking spot I grabbed? What is now? Spirit time trading? What's up? How's it been going? Sorry, I haven't messaged. I've been super busy. I'm so sorry. I apologize. How's the trading been going? Did you get some bangers after FOMC yesterday? Did you trade FOMC? You never check your trading view messages, minus 2 points for you. So I'm on 6 now. Damn, I need to be better. How do I get those points up? Tira, which coin? Not a coin. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Gold is good behavior if you have a winning strategy, so don't try it there. Not financial advice. Only for pro. Yep. You should take all the liquidity in the range before the leg down. You can add the indicator, but us developers can't see the code written. Secret source stays hidden. Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah, secret source for a reason. Shh. He has actually also made one for silver. If anyone trades silver, I haven't looked at it, to be fair. I don't know. Anything can be a point. Mad love plus 1 point. Is Nasdaq better than crypto? I don't want to say anything's better or worse. I think it's... Do I say it's easier than crypto? I wouldn't know. This is just from what I've heard. I've only ever really traded Nasdaq. So, you know, if I say, oh, yeah, it's better, that would be a lie because I don't know. I've never traded crypto. Oh, Eugene, what's up? How you doing? We'll allow that. Thank you. I absolutely live the fact that, well, let's see, Hammer. Like I said, I might be coming back up to Joburg. Then that whole trading thing sounds awesome. We must make like a traders convention. You know, kind of like Rage, but for traders. That would be so cool. Oh my gosh, what would we even call that though? The trading games. It's like the Hunger Games, but it's not. Hey, fastest guy, what's up? Do you have any withdrawal from trade? What do you mean? Go hunt your dream? What do you mean by that? I can't see the right graphic. Okay, well, let's see how this goes here. Nasdaq inversion cryptos, a new era, folks. Don't compare. Suggestion only. There we go. That's why it's secret source code. It's more secret than Coca-Cola recipe. What? I watched that girl who won 3rd place in trading competition. That's crazy. They were using 300 leverage. That's insane. I mean, if you had payout from the trader file. Oh, 100 dreams. No, I have not had a payout yet, actually. So for anyone that's new here, welcome. What's up? I'm actually pretty new to trading. I've only been trading for 11 months, so I have not had a payout yet. This is my first ever funded account. Woo, 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 woo. It is in drawdown, so I'm not here pretending to be amazing. I'm still figuring things out. Like I said, I'm forward testing this. I mean, so far this doesn't look terrible. As I say that, it looks like it's about to start pushing up, but it's okay. You know, still figuring things out, and that's fine. Everyone goes at their own pace. I've accepted that. No sessions. Draw out the opens. Oh, yeah. I prefer to just have, so, oh, okay, no, this is just a fair value gap that's further back. I draw out the midnight, Asia high, yesterday New York high is way up there. There it is. Yeah, I prefer, I don't know, it's just a little bit more clean for me, if that makes sense. See, I definitely prefer it. I'll bring pizza, coffee, and fufu for the convention. Ready? Let's go. I mean, that's all we need, right? You just need pizza, coffee, maybe some energy drinks, your PC, and somewhere with good signal. It's gonna have to have a killer name though. What would the name of the convention be? Can't call it Rage, obviously. There's already a Rage. Traders Unite? Nah, that doesn't work either. Shoot, man. I actually don't know what you would call it. Suggestions. Flash gold in 11 months? Yeah. I know you're real. I appreciate that. But how long do you have this funded account for? How many months? 1. I've had this funded account for 1 month. Yay! And then profits, so you're doing great. Yay! Do I use FIP? No. I use a Ganbox. Same. I heard you are South African. I am. What's up? Good morning, Butterfly. What's up, Dom? How's it going? I'm in short. I saw on Discord. Oh no. That looks like a very solid double bottom on ES that was just formed there. Let's see, I would still be keen for it to come and take this out unless I marked this incorrectly. Probably, who knows. I'm aware it's source code or not source code. The Global Trading Initiative. Ooh, Eddie, that's pretty cool. But shouldn't it have like you know, Comic-Con is so like catchy. But that's really good though. I do like that. Hey Ninja, what's up? How's it going? Which pair? This is the Nasdaq futures, so not a pair. Sorry. First, I don't know. Execute to earn an exit. Like I said, could be a double bottom forming there. Wait. Going completely against myself if I do that. It's nearly London open or boy, whatever. Either way, there's bound to be a big, decent reaction happening soon in 12 minutes. So let's see, everyone be aware, 12 minutes. Maybe there'll be something. In general, there tends to be something good. What am I trading? Nasdaq futures. The micros to be super specific. Okay, no problem. I'm assuming you have everything up. Which indicator do you use? There we go. English nailed it. Ah. Nice, Ninja. Apex not available in SA NAP. Unfortunately. Almost have my hand on the secret formula crabs. I'll be back the next day. What platform am I using? Also from SA West Coast. No, I'm starting to dig my hands into trading, just watching lots of videos at the moment. Dubster, that's awesome. So I'm using TradingView via TraderView. Okay, sorry, this is gonna sound confusing if you're new. So I'm currently using Top 1 futures. I'm on a funded account. I would really like to go to Tradeify eventually, but you know, I still have my funded. I'm going to pick it up out of, I'm going to try and resurrect it, but basically, it's nearly dead, but it's not over yet. And I have not given up yet. I am aware that if it does blow, it's fine. It is what it is. But for now, it's not blown yet. That's what's important. So yes, I'm currently using Top 1 futures, and then via TraderVate, I'm trading on the platform TradingView. tell me if I need to repeat that again for you slower. I remember when I started, all of this was actually when I started a year ago. Like I said, a year ago, I was just learning what the heck candles were. I didn't know what candles were. I didn't know what wicks were. I knew nothing. Nothing. Hey, Yon Ninja, what's up? Do you do this every morning live trading? Yeah, I do. Joe Leos, what's up? So many Leos here. I love it. You said, what's my style of trading? Market auction theory mixed with some ICT and SMC confluences. However, that being said, I am forward testing a new strategy. It's just called the Bob to Bob. Yeah. It's just called the Bob to Bob. It's really, really simple. That's why I have been forward testing it. I haven't taken a trade on it yet. Forward testing, not bad. You just have to wait for the correct confirmations. Try not to rush into it. You know, if you miss a trade, there's always another one. I just have to remind myself about that. Okay, so Dom says, attention. We got something good happening soon. Still got 8 minutes, Dom. I think it's still gonna take 8 minutes for something solid to start coming. Nice. I know, brokers top one, yes. Jolio, top one futures. I know they're fairly new. 577 is a key level. So that's why it's stuck on it. Yes, I'm not sure if you know it, but yeah. I was just curious. No problem. You should have 2.0 version. Can you type the name? The name of what? Mr. Tony Moon, did I miss a message? I feel like I missed a message. If I did, thank you, Kobe. There's no right place to start. Just start watching videos and try to understand where to trade. No, if it fits your schedule around your day and understanding market structure. What he said. I'm forward testing while I'm in the trade. I'm an RSA. What? No ways! Are you using prop firms? Is it C-Man? Why? Wave your hands for some movement, please. What does that mean? Why? Am I like stuck? Is that better? Rawr. You know, London countdown. We got an essay version of Tory Trade, seriously, Ninja. What's my TP? So for this one, TP is at 534.75. Let's see what we get. Still a few minutes. Let me extend this slightly. Decent retest back there, decent rejection. Let's see if this does break down. Oh damn, Seaman, okay. Brave. What made you decide to do that? We want the market to move. Oh, you want me to go? Is it working? Oh my gosh, it's working. Guys, the magic. I don't whisper sweet nothings. I wiggle at the chart wiggles, and apparently it works. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay. Oh gosh, do you know any good US brokers? Trading View has Mumu Alpaca. What? Mumu Alpaca. I feel like I'm having a stroke reading that. There's something called Mumu and Alpaca. I can send you my trading history. I have a strategy I follow. It's profitable so far. Okay, go on then. Do you have Discord? Need more coffee. Your chart did not move at all. No, it moved a little bit. This candle here moved. Rude. Just a heads up, if anyone does indeed join the Discord, please be aware that there are people, scammers out there. I'll be so informal with you. My figures. Not yet, let me download this. Oh, thank you. Sips coffee anyways, yeah. Maybe that. Woo! It worked. Apparently, I just had to take a sip of coffee. Okay. 4 minutes to go. Normal Packer. I said Durban. Yeah, how did you know? Dubstep, where can I get? So it is. Okay, wait. I'll pop the link on here, but it is in the description of this video as well. No money, mo don't jingle jingle. If it falls. But what did you just say? Sorry, I didn't see what you just said, but that looks funny. Not too sure what you just said, but I'm all for whatever it was. Right, okay, there we go. There's the Discord for anyone that wants to join. Oh, shoot. That was funny. To join it, I had a long conversation with you. Oh, thanks. Nice. Wait. Are you sure, Hammer? Are you sure? Yes, we did. No, we didn't. Yes, we... Not bothered about scammers. They're everywhere no matter what you do. Valid. TP1 done. Yay! I was also taking a sip and we locked up. There we go. You said why? You're from Morningside, that's cool. I'd say best get to not getting scammed and just quarters to find you in the substation and go directly to your DMs from there. There we go. If you hit gold, let's go. Bob to Bob is working. Yep. There we go. Hey, drive with the gun. How you doing? Yeah, you're scammer. Oh, I'm so sorry, Hammer. Were they nice at least? I think that's what's important. Were they at least nice? If you're gonna be a scammer, at least be a nice scammer. Ooh. On the 5? Ugh. Getting me all happy for no reason. That being said, this works quite well with this. It's just popped into that fair value gap though, so let's see. Maybe there'll only be a small rejection off of there, but this definitely has... 1, 2. This is A+. See if it gets there. Nah. Okay. Ah, okay. Not gonna get there. Shoot. Nope. And they did not match yours, so I thought, how weird. Oh, there we go. 536, almost a TP down. The cup of coffee now. Short coming in, 1 minute left. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, wait. Okay, I can't take a trade if there's 1 minute to fall. This could wick up quickly and then go back down. Guys, this Bob to Bob is pretty damn solid, not gonna lie. I'm trying for an A+ long. Oh. Okay, here it is.
Okay, let's go.
I was low-key expecting more. Okay, never mind. Seriously, I was low-key expecting more from that, but whatever. Oh, this is why you do not go in on a 4 minute or the open. Holy guacamole. Oh, that would have hurt my feelings. Thank heavens I realized the time. What's up, Vega? Congratulations, my stop and profit inky now is playing with the waiting game. Nice, Louis. Can stop us and down. There's just not much room left for the lower side, in my opinion, for this week. Interesting, Angry Bob. You don't think so? You think it might want to start heading back up? I was low-key still bearish for today. Duh. I was like, FOMC last night. See how it reacts off of here now. Man. Wait. No, did come tap in. Never mind. Never mind. Ooh. Ooh. This double wick over here looks promising. Let's see. What's up, David? How you doing? Dash Golden, fast is good. What do you mean my wake up, Dom? If I'd taken the trade there with my setup, like I said, I'm still forward testing this. I'll only take a bob to bob level trade during New York. Using my strategy, this would have been a loss. So what do you mean wake up? Okay. Very good double wick over here. Let's see if this solidly goes back down now, or if this is going to start messing around. That A+ setup would have been a disaster. Absolute disaster. Hey, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, sipping, yeah. Hey Blade, how are you? You ever use the regression trend tool? No, do we? I have not. I guess this has and has not moved. Like, my brain was going, no, we've moved a lot. We kind of haven't, actually. Technically, we've been staying in this bit of a range over here. 50-point range. Never mind, this has not moved at all. I mean, it's better than yesterday, don't get me wrong. Yesterday was disgusting, but it's not quite moving how I would want to see it move. What's your times of streaming? Mornings or how late in the afternoon? Oh, so Dubster, so I trade both London and New York Open, so I'll stream now until around 12-ish. Yeah, around 12-ish, and then I will like leave, go touch grass, go get some air, and then I'll come back 3:15 p.m. What's your time of streaming? Can I trade Forex? No, I don't think with this prop firm in particular. Well, children, I mean, it doesn't always have to look good. I mean, the one guy, his name is Thomas. He hasn't been on the stream for a little bit, but oh my gosh, literally his charts look like a Christmas tree, but he is really, really good and he's really profitable. You know, it doesn't always matter if it's clean or not, right? Oil is going sideways, NQ kind of is too. I agree with you on that one, load and lock. Yeah, what's up? Have to go to site, so we'll come have a look again in a few. Aw, Dubster, thanks. Alright, big drops 1.5 over. I had a quiet game of tennis today. It was no racket. Oh, that was good. I just want to sell liquidity pool holding. See if it fills. So I can trade gold, silver, ES, basically, well, not DAX. DAX is delayed. Yeah, that's basically it. No, I think I can trade more, but yeah. Those are at least the ones I have. Okay. Looking at it here. I mean, literally today, if you just want to, every time it just wicks below, just take a quick buy, in and out. By the looks of things, you'll be good to go. To the again, only be seriously. I'ma be on the next level. I'ma be sorry. Oh, black eyed peas were a jam in the day. Yes, that's now gonna be stuck in my head. Seaman, where you at? There you are. There you go. Oh, thanks, Dubster. Appreciate it. Got my funded account today and instantly lost 2k. Somehow my TP didn't hit and left for breakfast. Thankfully, it just... Sandy, how did you not get taken out? How did you not... What? How did you not blow the account losing 2k? Wow, like wormholes at flip channels. I'm like, where's the price? Ninja, yeah, that's Louis, if I'm not mistaken. Attention, next impulse. Good morning, Maya. Nice trade. Hey, Alex, what's up? I didn't take this. This is still the forward test. This is still the forward test. I'm going to attempt to maybe take it today during New York session. Let's see. Fergie. Ninja. I hear you. Give me a second, let me just see what my dog's barking. What's the account size? Me? Mine? 50k. Okay, okay. Let's see, that would not have worked. Do you know what's gonna irritate me? Around it. Oh, it was on. Oh my gosh. Sandy. Whoa. Do you see the trade you could have done on USD? Oh. You want it's much cleaner. Please, Hannah, yeah. Just jump in along and then turn off your PC. winning A plus, flash gold. Is that what that WA plus stands for? Well, if you guys trade forex and you gotta know fundamentals a lot because I don't know my mentals. There we go. Anyways. Oh, that's it. Can you see? I couldn't remember. I was like, is that noise again? Oh, damn. Hammer, that's very clean. With oil. Damn, that clean. That's some clean stuff. That's Mr. Clean. Sorry. Okay, I'll stop being oh so weird. Moving on. Which are pretty good, but prices on the right hand side. Screen to the miner is green. Honestly, good for longs right now. Which is he trading? Go that liquidity pool. This inverse fair value gap here could be quite interesting. Let's see what this does here. No, you little bugger. Where was 4 AM again? Yeah. Okay. Just saying K because let's see. Let's see what this does. Again, back into this bit of a resistance level. I'm not... Please, just give me a nice day. Just give me a nice day. Please. Pretty please. Pretty. Is it okay for me to put it on? Okay. Click on the pic. Now everyone can see. Damn, it's moving much more. Wait a second. Hey, you used my use my game box. That would have been a banger, damn. What time frame is this? Damn, that would have been a banger. Wait, let's see though. If I'd used the same range. Use this range, hey? By the looks of things. And obviously it's a little bit different. To be fair, yeah. It's just now messing around in this level. That didn't come back to tag in. This is now going back up. So the problem with doing bob to bob during London session. Signs up on W. You're a ninja to my friend. Today is a beautiful day regardless of market. Oh, ninja! Way to be a positive person. I love it. Today is going to be beautiful no matter what. For 1 minute, I don't trade your strategy though. No, I know you have your own strategy. But I see that was the same game box, right? TJ, is what that? Fish Doctor, hi! You've been awfully quiet. What's up? Anyone that's just hopped on? I nearly clicked the emotional damage button.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Sorry. My child brain kicked in and I was like, we're on 70 now. I was like, 69. Anyways. You know what? As long as it's not 6-7, I actually do not care. Moving on. The same zone for entry. Damn, Dom, you're pretty persistent that this is gonna go down. I mean, you've been pretty on point recently, so let's see. Let's see if this does end up going down, but this looks like, I agree, a little bit of a W formation sitting up here. Clone Mine. Did Clone Mine send a message? Check it out if you're on the Discord. I added a post to trading research. In case anyone missed me say this yesterday, TV's the Leap Max 7 challenge has started, but it's trash. What's up, Luck Shampoo? Damn, you're coming in hot over here. I've not seen you before. Lose the glasses. Say please. You should see the leaderboard today, actually. 24660. Indy? You think it's going up to 660? Have to take this. Basically back up to midnight. Why does London hate me? Gosh, these past 3 days have been excruciating. And you know what's so frustrating? Is that it's for 3 hours it does not move while I'm here watching it. Then I go, okay, well I gotta go to the horses. I'll be back later. Guess what happens? It starts moving. It's so mean. I think third quarter might be go higher if BCA announces unicorn flash. And SA Lux's soap, not shampoo. Get with it, homie. I feel like this is valid.
Emotional damage.
Tell him. Or her. Tell them. Can't assume things. I mean, they are identifying as shampoo right now, right? It's doing a lot. You wait for days, then have to work. Bam. Yep. What is the prize for the Leap Challenge? Crazy trades. You should have to learn from me. I got you. Thanks, Ninja. Okay, explain. Like I said, guys, I'm not claiming here pretending to be a master and I know everything and I've been profitable for years and years and years and you should... No, I'm still figuring this out. I'm still finding my feet. Now and then I do stumble. And I'm a clumsy person, so it happens pretty often. That liquidity pool again, right? You're from Iowa? What the fuck? I'm from South Africa. How's it going? Done what? Oh, we are now. Actually, there's a few South Africans. Yeah, I love it. All the South Africans, give me a whoop whoop or woot woot or whatever. What up? How's it? That's it. That's the one. Why do you hate me? Why do you like this? Let's look at gold. If gold's any better. Yeah. Do you see that? That's what you get, NQ. Damn, gold's been moving nicely. What the heck, man? Break above. Didn't come and retest though. Gonna have to figure out how to do the bob to bob levels on gold. Curiosity is getting the best of me. Okay, gold. Let's see what you got. Guys, shout if NQ is doing something interesting. How's it? Here we go. Ninja? Oh, well, gold was ranging for 2.5 days, just broken out yesterday. Oh, thank heavens. Oh, I did. I literally commented on it. What's up? Louis Noble Zada. I'm so sorry, I missed your message. What's up? It's also found an automatic tool in your regression trend that seems to do a decent job of finding channels. Nice. I trade for my tribe, and my tribe's got 17 chiefs. I trade the savings of the tribe. What's that from? What's the RR? On this one in particular, this is 2.39 R. Let's see. Wouldn't hate it if it came to retest this and then go back up. But again, I do not know gold. This is definitely not my... No. No, I'm messing around with gold right now because NQ's made me sad. Wait! I've got ES open on the side here to low-key see what's happening with NQ. Actually, why don't I just do this? Change this here. Winning. Okay, I can see if NQ starts to give me anything decent. If not, it's on timeout. NQ appears to be going back up. Little wick down, took out the wickless over there. Well, these are the bob levels. These are the bob levels. Check it out, freaking respects it on gold. It's actually ridiculous. Which is why I've made it a bob to bob out of curiosity. Also out of curiosity, let's see this one. I don't think it will work as well, but let's see. That's what you get when the coffee is low and the market's not moving. Exactly. I think it's paid subscription for the top 500 people. TV 10. Oh. Did I trade Asia NQ? Nah. Buy to sell at the moment. NQ 400 is the goal. Okay, Flash. The Flash is still keen on the 400s. 400 is very far away. Are you in a trade right now? So I don't know why it flashes. It freaks me out every single time. Jojo, no, this is Trading View. Is this funded? Yes, it is. Tis my funded account. What's up? $35353 out of 50k people. With my negative 600, damn ninja, that's impressive. That is impressive. I like that. Yeah, they need a liquidity grab there. Yeah, I was in the top 6 for the crypto challenge last month. I'm good though. Not the 5%ers, but it's fine. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Ninja, that's awesome. Sorry, I'm just being sassy. I'm trying to decide if it's nearly time for Butterfly of the Day at this point. It could nearly be time for Butterfly of the Day. Boot boot. I know I'm weird. It is what it is. Ah, I now have Fergie stuck in my head. Big for players you short. Nice. Do you ever pay to take part of that? I'm trying to put pointless for me. I do yearly sub to Trading View. Wow, don't think about it like that. 5% +1. Because I'm that special. Oh, look at you go. Okay. Okay, you got me there. You got me there. Nope, NQ's still going sideways. Sorry, I do have it open here. Still going sideways. Let's see what little Miss Goldilocks is gonna do. Ew, maybe if I drew it correctly. I'ma be spreading my wings. I'ma be doing... Damn, that's stuck in my head. This Loki looks quite nice for a long here on gold. Not even so much the bob to bob, just this my normal market auction theory. I just don't think it respects it as well on gold. I will have to check it out. It does. This would be the entry. It would look like this. Okay, whoop. This would be the gold trade, except I mean clearly shorts are in play, so do we now just go against everything? That was quite a decent wick though. Let's see what this does. Watching gold for fun. Is that one by Mr. Don't bring back testing it now. I mean, she is Fergalicious. True, Logan. When you're right, you're right. Make sure you are on MGC and not GC. The minis on gold will wreck you if you aren't careful. Oh, don't worry. I'm not trading this. I'm just forward testing this to see how they work and if it does work quite well. Did tap into that little bit of an auto block there. Okay. So let's see. Ooh, okay, wait, we have movement. We have movement. Okay, you're out of timeout. Put ES back on here. Turn my gold levels off. It doesn't look like chaos. Stop it. Okie dokie. Leave me alone. I don't want to squish you. I felt so bad. Yesterday I accidentally squished a bug. I nearly cried on live because I squished a bug. Anyways. Which is embarrassing, but it is what it is. Here we go. Gosh darn it. Took a long time. Gotta go have a great day night. Hope everyone. Oh, cheers, Logan. Enjoy. We'll respond. I do see you message me. I'll respond to you now. Thanks for joining, Logan. I'll pop the link on Discord. Oh, is this for the... Copy? Let's see if I can. Can I? Here we go. This is the leap. This is it. Hey, Bob. I didn't take the Bob to Bob level because meh. Purely because I don't trust it in London yet, but I'm going to try it today during New York session. But going Bob to Bob during London, I would still be in this, and yes, it nearly hit TP. So that's cool. Hope Logan gets the now. Oh, right. I keep forgetting that people don't know what now means in South Africa. So yeah, like how it updates and gives the ability to choose the look back period. Obito, what's up? How are we doing? I tried to withdraw my money on trading 212 and not. DJ, I don't know what happened. Fast yet strong soul, be nice. What pairs this? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Bob's what? Bob's levels. Bob to Bob levels. It's some secret sauce right there. Oh damn, this would have actually been nearly a 3R trade, by the way. Just by the by. Got in that trade already, hit TP. Hey, Obito, that's amazing! Grr, confused angry freak. Just for you.
Emotional damage.
Yeah, but check, Bob. Pretty solid. Yeah? Off of this, decent rejection. Not the best wick, but it did reject properly off of this. That was the let's go girls. And I mean, it's just been messing around for the past however long, but it is what it is. And I'm not trusting it because every time it goes up properly and then it comes back down. So my strategy is not going to work for this today. Unless I enter at the 0.2 level. That's possible. Even then, I don't think it's ideal. What is that? What is that? Seriously. London's making me sad. London's making me oh so sad. Okay. I mean, there would have been a tag in. Not bad. Not angry, quite chill. Actually, nice. Find a bit close under Bob. What do you mean? No, we don't. Here's Bob level. Dom, do you have the wrong levels set up? Coming here after wiping out the capital. No trade. Explorer, what happened? Are you good? Are you okay? Do you need a hug? Or do you need this? Maybe you're gonna take this the wrong way, but still. Anyways. Agony. This is what, you know what, screw it. Wait. You're gonna work out now, aren't you? Screw it. Maybe we go to Bob levels, still short. Oh, okay, got it. Just lost $8,000 of your own money, Explorer? Damn, and this is why I say maybe props are a good way to go to protect yourself. I can't wait for the big market crash of 2027. Why? Why? A beat or 8k? Exactly. Bruh. Been messing around, not respecting anything this whole time, and now you're like, oh, I will respect it now, you little mother bluffer. Again, though, was again a B setup, but still, seriously. Hey, Bob to Bob! Whoop, 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 whoop. I mean, it would have taken forever, but it worked. Check out that trade. Okay. Point shop for 3 hours, then bam, turn point straight to hell. Yes, Ninja. The 3 hours there was when I was streaming, where it was doing nothing. And then as soon as I left, it was like, okay, she's gone. We can start doing things. So rude. Bye, Bob. I don't know how I recover the loss. Okay, again, the question is, I'm assuming it was your own money, right? Ooh. Sugar honey iced tea, man. You have the contact of any big person, probably multimillionaire. I need some help! Explorer, I wish. You took this, nice! Now the New York Open and watch shop, I was like... Very nicely done, very nicely done. See how it reacts now. That was a good solid bob to bob. Seriously, I must just maybe just scrap my strategy to start doing bob to bob. Screw it. Mother bluffer must fall through. Have you never heard me say that? Either mother bluffer or mother fluffer or something like that. Hey Brian, what's up? I'm looking at the Nasdaq futures. How are we doing? Explorer, damn, dude, this is why you use prop firms, so that that doesn't happen. You protect yourself against that. Good grief, dude. That's bad. And also, it's why you trade with money you don't care about losing. And I can't complain. Like Mother Tucker. Oh, Mother Trucker. Tucker. It's like, who is Tucker? What did his mother do? Leon? What part of SA are you from? I'm pretty sure I've asked you this before. You've been here before, right? Just before I butcher this. Okay. Go to sleep, it's so slow. Dude, are you in profit? Why not? hoping to take out for? Do you know any big kind person? No. I wish. Oh my gosh. My life would be so much easier if I did. Anyways. Cape Town, UKZN. Ah, there we go. Nice. I thought so. And I was like, no, you have been here before. Let me not lie. Anyways. Why would you trade if you're not profitable? Terry Mays? What do you mean? Hey, Nene. Well, the forward test with the Bob to Bob was pretty solid. So that's cool. That's cool. No A pluses for my setup today yet, unfortunately, because we are low-key going sideways. We're going down, but sideways at the same time. Deb, which indicator called the drop? Nice. Yeah, how about you, Nene? Anything good? Terry Mays, you still there? Where are we at? We're not at 500 yet. We're at around 530. 537. I'm 250 from passing my first evil. Oh! And I just entered a trade and got out too much early and I could just pass it out. No! Oh, Ethan, I'm so sorry. Watch me flip. Wow. The way I had 3 liquid. Time to buy. No, I'm still paper trading. Oh, nice. Okay. You're gonna come here and confuse everyone with Afrikaans. I'm gonna be like, what? Talk smack about people. Ew. Kind of ew. Oh, okay. Big jump on ES, not such a big jump on NQ. Let's see what we get. Terry. Oh, Terry. Sorry, I thought you were talking to me. Got it. You were talking about Explorer. Never mind. Got it. I was like, what did I do? 300-point drop during London sesh yesterday. Not while I was around, but sure. Oh, shoot. That's not what I wanted. Okay. Flash, it's mean. It's actually mean. Sorry, can you see I'm getting a little bit fidgety? Like, because I just want something good. I just want something. Seriously. You know, it's low-key frustrating. I was looking at that going, hey, wait, this is A+. And I didn't take it. Shoot. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Well, was it 1, 2... I mean, I guess the fact that I'm having to do... isn't great for A+. Maybe the next. Let's see what the next maybe brings us. My tribe's gonna be hungry if I don't get this. Give me 2 seconds. Rara Fatimur. There we go. Okay. Price Hammer's not laughing at me for using Afrikaans there, but anyways. you know the Whoop Nene guy just went to jail for killing people? What, Louis? I've moved over to Nasdaq June. Future contractors open interest in volume. Hey, JB, what's up? Here's 500, yes. Shoot, okay. That's a solid rejection off of here. That's a very solid... Go away. Stop it, Debbie giving sugar mama vibes. Hey, digital success. I know, low-key impressive. I'm just surprised I haven't, you know, butchered it. To be fair, I wasn't able to take a trade for like 2 days because the price action sucked. I was able to take a little one yesterday. It was break even. I've been having a lot of break evens. That's probably why. Aw. And I heard that and thought she angry now. Yeah, that's the only time I speak Africa. Break even entry long again. If anyone listened to the made big bucks yesterday. Hello, what's up? Louis 25502 is the Sunday open. Could be a good spot to buy short term. Oh shoot. We have this marked out wrong. Here's the new weekly opening gap. Louis? Are you sure about that? Okay. Hello. Okay then. Let's see, that was pretty solid. How to react with here? What does it look like on the 5? Finally. 15. Well, at least we're out. It's the one. Okay. All 500 when it hits, got it. Oh, you wanted advice on? What's up? That 500 talk to me. Oh, you're getting so excited. I love it. Like I said, I got a mark you. Don't you worry. I gotcha. Wait. Man, if the entry was a little bit low, I would low-key prefer it. Don't want it to tap below there if it's gonna come back up. No, what did I just say? I said I don't want you to do that. Am I rushing into this because of FOMO? Need this to reject below it. Is it Aussie or Kiwi? Neither, Andy Surfer. I'm South African. What's up? How goes it? How goes it? No. For 4. Just hate that it's wicking up above so much. Let's see. Well, to be fair, I only heard like a few spoken words, so forgive me. Oh, don't worry, Andy. I gets it. I gets it. Yes, I just said I gets it. Like a normal person. Correct idea, just didn't come up high enough. Pity. Created a little bit of an SMT on ES. Okay. SMT formed on ES now. Was that lipstick you got on, or you being damn... What do you mean? No? Huh? Yes, I'm sure I posted what I see on our general chat, so you see what I see. It's also definitely stronger on NQ right now than on ES. Am I gonna feel like a fool for not taking this? Oh my gosh, maybe not. What the heck, man? I said that SMT was created there. Holy guacamole, that would have been like instantaneous stop loss. Any I dare to hope that you would double your capital within a few weeks. Lux shampoo sell? I mean, I wanted to, but good grief, bud. Look at this. Literally, good grief. Wow, it came close to 500. It did. It did. Do you think this is gonna reverse now, though? I'm not sure about reversal yet. Aw, Crypto Gonzalez, what's up? How you doing? Enter. Yes, I'm from South Africa. What's up? How you doing? Good grief, says Charlie Brown. I say good grief all the time. I don't know if that's weird or not. Oh, we've lost some sell pressure on NQ. That's interesting. Back on the 5 minute, this just still looks gross. London, I'm gonna say it. Take it the wrong way if you will. I have definitely been preferring New York. Because good grief, London has been so bad recently. Well, just for my setups at least. 5 minutes not looking good. No, JB, it's really, really not. Bezos on the driver's seat. Wish you go with your trading piece out. Oh, cheers, Andy Surfer. Enjoy. I was hesitant about this deal. Which deal? It's definitely a liquidity pool the same as icebergs. What is icebergs? Flash? Wait for the new 15-30 minute and new 1 hour. What, do you think it'll actually give us something good? Oh, the new hour is in like 10 minutes. Cool, cool, cool. Where was the 4 AM push? Okay. Like I said, let's see what we get here. We are kind of stuck in this bob level now, so that's cool. Can't rush the trades, can't rush the trades, can't rush the trades. I'm just telling myself to not do something dumb. You're still safe, but Maya, you're using interest rates in 3 hours, London will be dead till then. No. Why? Why? And you know what's so frustrating now? I'm not even going to be trading New York tomorrow. That's okay, I guess. It is what it is. So sad. I'll be here for London though still, so that's fine. Okay. Screw it. Do you know what time it is? It's butterfly of the daytime. I'm calling it. It's butterfly of the daytime because I'm waiting for something to happen. I don't think it will, but we can still hope. Okay, let's do butterfly of the day. Oh my gosh, I forgot my book. Okay, wait. Give me a second. I saw a butterfly yesterday, so I wanted to find it. I'll be right back. Let me go get my butterfly book. And I'm not sure if I should hold the cell. Okay. Ready, guys? Butterfly of the day. I'm gonna go closer to the front of the book today. The front of the book has such interesting... Okay, to be fair, the wings are pretty. Let's do... Porquoise Widow. I think I butchered that, but anyways. Ooh. Widow. Don't lie, it's pretty. This is a pretty butterfly. Look at these. This is butterfly of the day. So wingspan is 44 to 54 millimeters. Damn, this is quite a big butterfly. Flies at higher altitudes. Some populations found outside the Hawkworth Mountains show distance differences and maybe distinct races or even species. So distribution, Fynbos and Namakaroo in the Western Cape, so mountains from Simonsburg and Franschhoek Pass, north to the Slanghoek Berg, and above Nieuwekloof, good grief, they're throwing all the Afrikaans at me today, and north from Geiderberg to the Cedarberg, good grief, bag, whatever, habitats, mountains and hillsides. I got that from all the bergs going on. So flight period, single brood in March and April. There we go. There's our butterfly of the day. Don't lie, it's kind of pretty. Look at these. Oh, you guys can't see anything. I'm so sorry. Here I am talking to myself and you guys don't even see what I'm talking about. Here we go. Butterfly of the day. It's quite a pretty butterfly. So it looks like there, and from the outside, it looks like this. Cool. Okay, back to the charts. What have we got? Oh, okay, I see the buyers have come to the party now. Awesome sauce. Wait, the buyers have come to the party. Have we got something? I did see this earlier, don't worry. Stupid. Anyways, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. It's actually an A+. This could be a fake up, but it is an A+. 3. Okay, well, it's an A+ setup, so let's do it. Got my volume balance, my fair value gap, and this order block. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Okay, even on the 5-minute, not terrible. The only terrible part is this wick on the 5-minute. The wick is not ideal on the 5-minute, but let's see, set it. Let's see if it tags me in or not. But we got an A+. So let's see. Okay, well, I'm in. Don't take me straight out. Don't take me straight out. That's mean. And then I have to sit on my hands. Two. And then... 3. Actually, 3 would be above all this chaos over here. Okay. Now, hands off. Birds eat bees. Okay, Ninja, you have a valid question. I have no idea. I have no idea, but valid question. Okay, I'm now not gonna look. No matter what happens, everything is set. Yeah. Anyways, what's up? What's up, guys? Ninja, have fun being an adult. I'm very sick and tired. Check my email. What did you send? Dun dun dun. Did you make another anime? I kind of love it. Anyways, moving on. So checking email. Sorry for the chaos. Oh, sweet. Sweet man. Because of you anime and me and my kids, I love it. Trade logic. Broke, it wanted to go up. You can see my flash golden. So trade logic, I had 3 confluences, had the break above, the retest over here. Do I need I say more? Like I could maybe That's basically the trade logic. I had my 3 confluences, was A+, took the shorts, we had a change of character, yes. Kept butterflies as pets as kids and I grew them from caterpillars through the cocoon and turned into butterflies. Meanwhile, we used to do that with silkworms. It was a bit of an obsession growing up. Everyone used to like take their silkworms to school in a shoebox and people would swap their silkworms. It was a whole thing. But I think they were moths. They weren't butterflies. What am I trading? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Let's hope it does not sit in mold yet. Okay. Oil is rallying, NQ dumping. Don't be negative. I'm not even watching. I don't know what it's doing, but anyways. Oh, it's a new hour. Let's see what happens. New hour did close beneath, but it's fine. Looks like a brown moth from top a little bit. Let's get pump this chart. You ready? Sure. Noise. Let's see how the trade goes. Wait. Damn. Those little green snakes climb the gates. Are they poisonous? Oh, Louis, did you check out my, yeah. I don't think that venomous, but no, I don't think that one is, to be fair. I actually want to move this to break even because it hit that resistance level, but leave it alone. Hey, Mr. Pix, what's up? How we doing? How goes it? How goes it? Nasdaq wrecked me yesterday. Why? What did it do? Yes. Well, on my funded account, but yes, prop firm. No, I looked. So I know that was a very heavy sigh. It's just because, oh my gosh. Okay. Freak. Waited so long. I'm with top 1 futures currently. That's who I'm with. I'm curious about this now. Okay, so if I were to add... Stop loss is not ideal. I mean, it wouldn't be terrible, but yeah. I have a runner set. Do I move runner bob to bob? That feels a little bit cheeky. I've left it just at these highs. I guess the highs are actually pretty solid. I should probably just leave it there. Let's not be too greedy. I'm gonna trail it a little bit. Off the Sunday open area, nice little buy trade. I was milking so long. Thanks, Blade. Good. Grief, what are we up to? I guess we're still in this thing, but at least we're back up to 7. Like I said, left a runner to the top here where there's a bunch of liquidity sitting. Let's see. I was talking with Sandy. We do pump for you. Oh, thanks, Dom. I appreciate it. Maya, you touching the trade and you said you wouldn't. What do you mean? This is not bob to bob. This is my strategy. Is that what you're meaning? Is that what you're talking about? This ain't bob to bob strat. Oh, nice, Kobe. Right? Did you check it out on gold or which one? Oh, I'm touching like I'm. Oh, good. That's what you meant. I'm sorry. I'll hands off. Hands off is what you meant. Leave it alone. Got it. I took $20 for this. Nice. Just on gold. Nice. So you trade gold, right, Kobe? I'm assuming. I know it's bad to assume things, but. This might come hit the self or hit that point first. Let's see. But that was good. Got a little bit of resistance over there. Followed it down slightly. Either way, we are in green. Either way, this will be stop losses and profits. So happiness. Okay. Okay. Hands off. Leave it alone. I'll put a little tick here because it was a winner. Oh, it's been a while since I was able to put a tick there. Wow. Oh, it's been so long. Beautiful accent, thank you. Yeah, pretty much just gold and Nasdaq, sometimes wine. Oh, nice, Kobe. Okay. Yeah, please let me know how it goes with Bob's Gold Rush. 400s. Hey, Transparency Trading, what's up? Welcome. How you doing? Hi, I'm Patrick. What's up, Patrick? How you doing? Or this might come back down before going back up. Either way, it's fine. It's in profit. We're done. I'm good. I'm good. Sorry, I'm having a sigh of relief because, gosh. Whoop whoop. For this trade and for anyone else that is in the green for today. Freaking whoop whoop, guys. That's how we do it. Yeah. This is how we do it. Do 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 do. You understand? Wait, I only trade breakouts though, sometimes reversals, but I just thought it was really smooth, so thank you for showing us. Of course. Listen, even as a breakout, it's not bad if it breaks below. I guess. All right, by VWAP on ES, this could drop down further. Oh well. Now can I join your trading, Patrick? Well, what do you mean? What do you mean? Yay, right, Louis? Gosh, do you see how I just don't get excited anymore? No emotions. Right, that's what I've been told. Show no emotions. Be emotionless. Still have one little runner. Yeah, well, I mainly trade gold once a day for Asia session, open every. Oh, nice, Kobe. Okay. I mean, the bob to bob, they're there to maybe like aid, right? Showing where it might decide it wants to consolidate, you know, things like that. I like to trade too, but don't have the skills. Anyone can learn the skills. You're not born with them, let's just be real. No one's born with the skills of how to trade. I don't think, anyways. Pull tap, expecting to pass level. Whoever said their trading reversals learn a continuation way of trading. I've spent the last 8 months trading reversals. And like the opposite of Pokemon, you can't catch the ball. Nice, Mikuabe. Valid. Is this bob to bob thing some concept? Kind of. Kind of. It's, can I teach you the basics? I can try. Like, I'm not amazing, and I'm definitely not a great teacher, but I guess I could try. What's the time frame? This is the 1 minute right now. I don't know what will happen, but it's still dangerous to buy. Just saying, I may be wrong. 80% of trading is psychological. 100% agree with you on that one. 100%. I was born with the skills, Maya, because I am the oracle.
Nice.
Flash says buy entry there. Let's see. I'm still hands off. I still have my little runner still hanging in there. Let's see what it does, if it taps into it or not. I feel like trading just has such a stigma for being so complicated, but even as a trader, once you realize how simple it is with the right mindset, it's easy. Probably that's the thing, right? The bob to bob levels are actually stupid simple, which is why I think I sometimes question it, because it shouldn't be, but it should be that simple, right? It's a bit complicated because I'm going, this is too simple. Does that make sense? I mean, there's ways that you could complicate it, I guess, but in a lot of ways, it's just, it's so simple. How do we start this? Well, join the Discord. These two I've heard it so many times from you, I'm curious. Later, it is low-key secrets also. It's so funny when I'm on a call, I'm right to say, Geordie, what's my name? That's, well, not mean, it's pretty funny. It's pretty dang funny. So I'm pulling a face because I hear someone whistling outside. Which is weird. That doesn't sound like a bird. That sounds like a person whistling. Account is restored. Almost out. Kebab? No, not even close. But I appreciate the optimism. Profile hasn't worked to remove this. Anyways. I mean, I think it's pretty simple. Some things that seem simple might be too good to be true, but not always. I guess anything works if you're using it the right way, if that makes sense. Exactly. Nah. That's okay. It was still a winner-winner chicken dinner. Where was the entry here? Ta-da! Oh, let me move my little ticky across. Okay. Dagnabbit. Okay, let's do this. Balance is now up to 745.40. Nice. Pied Piper. Okay, not bad. Is this not another setup? I mean, theoretically, yes, but I do kind of have a rule that if my setup, if I've just taken a trade, just give myself a few minutes. Don't just jump in on the next one. I've done that before and completely screwed myself. Literally, completely screwed myself. But you're saying this one, Ollie. It's... No, it's a B setup. If the stop loss was lower, it would be an A+, but it's actually a B. I got the fair value gap in the shelf. But that's it. Like, that's the only... There's only two confluences. So this could retrace further back down and then go back up. Like, it could come and actually... This might do that whole ticking into the stop loss situation and then going back up. Or this could just continue back down. Maybe just wanted to go and grab some something over there. A little something something. Okay, okay. Take it, take it, take it. No. Okay, give me a second. Let me just see what this whistling is. It literally has not stopped, and it's not a bird. But Perry's not barking, so I'm conflicted. Let me go let me go see what the whistling is. Well, I hear the whistling, didn't see anyone, so I'm assuming it's fine. I'm assuming it's good. I love it when she leaves, no one types messages, because I know you would chat just pauses. Yeah, everyone knows it, like, just wait. Everyone wait for her to come back. The weirdo's gone. Give her a minute. Let's see, Ollie. Let's see if it would have worked. I'm not convinced. It's still been low-key a little bit of a choppy day today. Respected the heck out of this fair value gap and volume. Yes. And volume imbalance over there. Maybe it does work. Last time we talked about monkey look. Just read your room randomly. Guys, if you see monkey, I will scream. Louis, have you seen the monkey on the Discord that literally runs at me. I was so unimpressed. I was like, no. All those dozen bands keys in. Ah, hey Eugene. Yeah, I actually did. I took a trade here. It was a winner. Yay. Oh wait, let me post this. C chord. Okay. Hosted. Sorted. Let's do this. Okay, a little bit. Give myself a little bit more breathing room. We're not out of the, you know, out of the frying pan just yet, but we're there. Woo! Thank you, Eugene. No, not yet. Yeah, literally, Louis, it's hilarious. It's dash terrifying for me. Because no one believes me about the monkeys. They're like, whatever. And this thing literally ran at me. It was so rude. Some big check is at that NQ cell level. Of course, Marshall. Sure. Here we go. For anyone that wants to join. If you do join, please just be aware that they are scammers. Please, guys. Check the role of the Maya talking to you. Let's just put it that way. There we go. I got you. I got you. So there's the Discord for anyone that's keen. If anyone wants to join, you're more than welcome to. We might go back to being choppy here. Let's see. Or is this a bit of a bull flag? It's just a huge bull flag. A lot of monkeys in Durban. Yep. Yep. Seriously, they're everywhere. You're welcome, Marshall. Noise. Just noise. Let's see what we get here. Bear in a foxhole? No. Nope, not me. Not me. Literally, if it sounds copy-pasted, it ain't me. Okay, I would be so informed. I'd be like, what up? Hi. Were they asking? Ah, shucks. Sorry. Did you give them all your hard-earned money? Them damn scammers. I feel like I need to be a grandma that's like, you get off my lawn, or you get off my Discord. To be fair, they were dumb. The one time they actually put a phone number on. So I messaged the phone number. It was hilarious. Also, it wasn't a South African phone number. If you're gonna be a scammer, at least be smart. Damn. Nothing check. On NQ trend. Okay, Flash. I want to try to sell ICT courses to a scammer who was trying to sell me some scalping, but after 1 hour he stopped replying. I mean, Blade, like I said, to be fair, I sent that... Shoot, let me try to find it. I sent them a message. Oh, it was so long ago. It was so funny. Let me see. There we... Yeah, as soon as I was like, because I said, I'm like, just confirming, this is Maya. And they're like, yes, this is Maya. We communicated on Discord before here. And I was like, interesting. Oh, okay. Then I was like, this is Maya. I am the real Maya. They stopped messaging very quickly. They stopped replying. Anyways. Oh no, Liz, I'm so sorry. I sent you 10k in Bitcoin and you're going to double it. Is that a threat? Eh. Really? You can? That's interesting. How? I've registered a lot of times and end up losing all my funds. Oh no! I didn't know that was a thing, Mikuwave. See, I'm like a grandma. Hey! Okay then. Did not expect that. It's still stuck in this range. This range right here is stuck. To be fair, it looks like it jumped below. Ooh, which means this is going to start going up and away. Oh, dagnabbit, there was my runner. You're right, if I'd left it at break even, it would have been fine. Oh well. Yeah, there it would have tapped into my runner. It's fine. They would be very disappointed. So what's my name? Mikrowawe. Really good area of support that's holding, so we might end up green on the week. That'll be nice. Hey Miguel, how you doing by the way? Thank you. Higher prices, high USD, I guess means majority sells at the moment. This unfortunately is now back in this range. Not a nice entry there either. Okay. So just take out all of this. Still have a little bit of time. This might be headed back up to VWAP. Again, bob to bob, interesting. Very interesting. Huh. Alrighty then. Airlines, slowly but surely. One good trade at a time, right? That's all you can do. One good trade at a time. With some bad ones in between, but yes. Yeah, it's not nice here. Oh, I see we've tapped properly into VWAP on ES as well. This could bounce back down again for the third freaking time. But let's see. Oh, cheers, Bartek. Enjoy. Mad love. Thanks for joining. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So it looks like the buyers are back in action. Watch I say this and it's going to start dumping. But for now, it looks like the buyers are back in action. When did you decide to do so I do a GAN box. But yeah, some people don't do stop losses. No, thanks. I do stop losses. I'm good. I'm good. I will very happily do stop losses. What did I say? As I said, looks like the buyers are on play. Sellers were like, wait. We have to prove her wrong. How rude. This microwave guy. Say the name. Hey Nick, what's up? I wonder what I'm saying that's getting my messages filtered out. Louis? What did you do? Are you in trouble? Ooh, you in trouble. Too quick for my liking. That was a triple freaking top over there. Like I said, it just tapped into VWAP there as well. And this. Okay. Let's leave it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck just happened? Bro, calm down. What? What? What in the F you candle? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Trump tweeted. Holy moly. What? I was literally typing this was about to reverse down and I did. Listen here, Mikuwabe. No one likes a smart ass, okay? Believe over stop losses. Stop losses help, but how? What do you mean, but how? You keep your capital so you don't, you know, go bankrupt. I feel like that's valid. Wow, this price action just went.
Okay, let's go.
That. I'm just gonna sit here and question my whole life right now. What the heck was that? Also, what did Trump say? I think that's also important. What did he do? What did he do? Okay, let's go back to watching whatever the heck that was. What? Oh, okay, got it. I look at CBD. It's predictable for the neutral zone. Oh, okay. Seems like a move that follows a tweet. That's valid. That is valid. That's just... That liquidity pool did it. I'm kind of speechless after that. What did he do this time, Blade? I do not know. Terry must have struck something sensitive. Oh! Alright, I re-entered for cells just in time. Nice, Louis. Whoop whoop. Who got a win off of whatever the heck? Well, whatever the heck that just was. But seriously, whoop whoop. That was insane. Cool. That was definitely insane. But anyways, let's do this. Still inside the trend though. I know, but still. 8 USA sleep. Wake up at 3 p.m. RSA time. Around there, yeah. I'm so exhausted by Trump. I feel like a bully to me, but he's funny and incredible. What's up, Rashan? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? That was insane. It's gonna have to fill this gap. That dropped so quickly. This is a huge imbalance that's now hit. Trump failed my daily bias. My model's about to form and then he tweets, market makers are not after me, but Trump is. You know what that's called right there?
Emotional damage.
Did I win 2 trades? No, I just won. This was still the forward testing. I said I might try the bob to bob today during New York. Wasn't going to test it during London because London, as you can see, was low-key a little bit choppy. This very easily could have come and wicked up. But this was a win, yeah. I had a win. Freaking finally. Bruh. Okay. I know! 500 hit. I was looking at that thinking about you. I was like, no way. Well, it just tapped into it, but it hit. It did indeed hit. Well done. He has no filter. That's, yeah, valid. Hey, Felipe. What do you mean, what am I operating? Oh, yo, gosh, go sleep. Good grief. Go sleep. It's late. Can't believe you actually stayed up that whole time. I like the dedication, but goodness gracious. Okay, we might get stuck in this bob level again. Alrighty then. Wow. That 5 level, we're still struggling to break below though. Let's see what happens next. Oh no, I only got 30 minutes. Well, you know what? At least today had a little bit more. Not much more, but there was more. I'll take it. Bop. Nah, sorry. Be careful today. We have sell pressure all over the place. Hey Pablo, what's up? And oh, I'm gonna butcher this. Telepathy. Did I get that? Yes, he sent me. My dad's obsessed. People I combine by either love or hatred for our friends. It's all a distraction. Interesting. Is this trading view premium? Nah, not premium. What's up, chill dude? Hundreds, new call. DXY looking like it wants to puke. Ooh. Really? What's it doing? Whoa. I feel like I've been focusing a little bit too long. I have a little bit of a headache, but it's okay. We continue. So for this, so I'm again pulling a little bit of a face because I'm still not convinced by this. Because it's just gone right back into this damn range. Just broke below, but still struggled. Wicked out of there. This could go higher now. Easy buys from that spot. I know, that's why I'm like, this would be a sell. That's why I'm like, I'm not so keen for the sell right now. Even though maybe buyers have given up, so who knows? Okay. So I'm still watching the chaos unfold right now. It's about to say, it all depends on how it reacts here. This is the reaction. What does it look like on the 5 minute? Okay. Damn, actually this may be going down. Can I start trusting my A+ setups again? I haven't been trusting them for a while because they have not been working out. This theoretically, yeah. No, theoretically this was A+. Not the best, but it's there. Which you had marked down there. Yeah. Well, here's a London low over here. What the heck just happened? Okay. Anyways, there's a London low from like ages ago. Hey, David, what's up? How you doing? Bit of a rejection there. Still going? Kieran Moodley, what's up? Hey, Bobby! And yes, I say trust your A+ setups. Oh, thank you. How are you doing, Bobby Kelly? I think today and tomorrow are going to be a slaughterhouse in bigger time frames. Why do you say that, Pablo? Oh, apart from all the chaos going on around here right now. Seems valid. Gosh. I mean, on the higher time frames, let's have a look at the 15. let's just be real. This 15-minute chart doesn't look great. This 15-minute chart looks so meh, it's not even funny, but whatever. A little bit green for today, so green is good. Bobby, I can't complain. Like I said, I'm just here witnessing all the chaos happen. Like this. Yeah. Oh, okay. Slaughterhouse on the... But to be fair, even the bigger time frames look gross. I had a look at it earlier. Can I have a look at it again though? The daily just looks disgusting. Let's just be real. The daily looks disgusting. Might want to come take out this 265 level. Let's see. Little bit, no, not really. Not a fan of the daily. Trading is like catching lightning. Why do you say that? Ready for another explosion? Chill, dude, what do you know that I don't? Tell me your secrets. I don't know what y'all talk about. This all looks so beautiful to me. We are very different human beings. Triple potential. Oh, nice. Not bad, reaction-wise. Okay. Maybe I should have taken the setup, but meh. Let's still see. Let's still see. It's not over yet. Let's just put it that way. Flash, what's up? I'm 2 for potential sweep of the 4-hour fair value gap. I'll go check out the 4-hour now. Let's do this. Check the 4-hour. Okay, so you think it wants to come... Which one, though? This one at the tippy top? Do you think it wants to come up to 984? That seems crazy. Or are you just thinking 727? Wait till I show you reaction zones, and we're very similar human beings. 1 minute, back we go. Let's have a looky-see here. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it... No! Okay, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is giving up on me. Bro. Thank you. I just had to bro, and then it was like, my bad, I'm so sorry. Oh, Grant, thanks for the sub. Okay. Put all these back into place. Whew. Short Wi-Fi. Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. This might be the break. Yep. This could be the break. This has actually been quite a fun day. Yesterday sucked. For me. I know some people probably loved yesterday London session. Yesterday, fucked for me. Was not a nice day yesterday. But it's okay. Now today, not bad, not bad. Today's been quite fun. Oh, gold. Sorry, I forgot I didn't place anything gold just before anyone freaks out at me. But I did, oh, for crying out loud. I did this. Oof, okay, that would have hurt my feelings. Neither one of these would have worked. Interesting, wait. See, I do not know gold well enough at all. But, like I said, I don't know gold well enough at all. I did say it looked like I wanted short. Interesting reaction here. Rejected, retested. Interesting. So I'm checking out the Bob's Gold Rush levels and how and where it reacts. It's pretty similar, not quite, but it's similar to NQ with how it responds to those levels. Okay, nope, this is not an A+ setup either. This I think would be stopped out. I think this is gonna start pushing back up now. I should have held gold for 3 bob levels down instead of 2. That's okay, Louis. Things happen. I'm short NQ, was about to hit my TP, but again went up. Hey Akash, what's up? Gold you have more time to play with before pumps. That's a good point, but it's still a bit more... I don't know, how do we explain it? I'm very used to how NQ moves. So gold is a little bit like foreign. Doesn't mean I won't be able to figure it out. Not saying I want to figure it out right now, but yeah. I just find it very interesting. Lance, I just got lucky on a boredom trade and passed a Lucid Flex eval. I just began trying Lucid because I won a raffle the other day for 50k eval. I'd love a few max payouts now. Lance, what the heck, man? Okay. Hey Bradley, what's up? How you doing? Sorry, this is for Lance. Well done on passing your eval. Whoop whoop, that is awesome. Seriously, huge whoop whoop. Well done. And on a board trade, even. Whatever. That's pretty cool though. How did you pass this eval? Oh, you know, I was a little bit bored and this kind of popped up, so yeah, I took it and then boom. Must be nice. When gold wants to move, it definitely moves, yeah. Hey Kimura, what's up? Can you show the levels indicators on gold and NQ? Tenza, so NQ is so. You can see this would have been a bob to bob level trade, would have been a winner. I might try a bob to bob during London today. I mean, not London, sorry, New York today. I wasn't too keen on London just yet because the past 2 days have not been good with London recently. That being said, check. All these shaded areas are the bob levels, by the way. Yeah. Failed to break, went below. The fact that it's still failing to break, this might go back up to the bob level. Just saying, obviously it's not financial advice, anything could happen. And the sellers are in play. Bob to bob. Yeah, bob to bob. You want to see the gold? Sure thing, chicken wing. I don't have to do that. Show you the gold quickly. So the indicator on NQ isn't up just yet. Up for grabs. I just have the secret sauce, but the gold levels are. So you guys can check them out if you want to. It's called Bob's Gold Rush levels. Yeah. Bob's Gold Rush levels GC. And it's for free because Bob's a sweetie pie. Yeah, so you can see how it reacts to them, literally. Stuck a little bit there, went down to the next Bob level, failed to break above. That's what I wanted it to break above. That's where I would have had a losing trade, and then it just came went down, back up, back down, back up. So it's low-key ranging between these two bob levels currently. It shows you like 3 down and 3 above, so it just moves with wherever the chart's moving. So I can't show you how it reacted up here. But yeah, that's basically how it moves. It just moves 3 lower and 3 above. But if you get the distancing correct, you can see how it would have reacted in there. And so on and so forth. Yeah, so that's the gold levels for you. How you want to trade them is obviously up to you. Maybe it's just an indicator. Maybe you want to trade using them. It's interesting to see how they react. Wait. Property MZR group, not entertaining. Well, it's not entertaining. Very good. You look good too. Oh, thank you, Bradley. Gold shifts from trendy to choppy very suddenly, which can affect traders. Ooh, interesting. My target on Incube. Trading View is like this platform. I remember when I first started trading, I used MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And I've never used them, but it sounds like you're a bit meh about them. Are they just not super duper impressive? Whee! Here we go. What the heck, man? See what this looked like on the 5-minute. I'm just seeing with regards to bob level where it would have been placed. See how this looks on the 1 minute. Better TP would actually be there, but it's fine. Just curious. Like I said, I'm still forward testing this, so I don't want to be like, oh, I know exactly what I'm doing, because that's a lie. I'd retest there. It's okay. This might go bob to bob now. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay, we're about to hit that resistance level again. Let's see what it does. Ink, you're a bit spicy tonight. On and off, right, Lance? A little bit. Maddie, if you say so, except for the fact that this has been tested for months. Hence, yeah. And there's very specific setups for each and every single different asset. It's not the same for every asset. We still use MetaTrader, blah blah blah. Brokers use MetaTrader now in a few platforms. Gold setting for bob to bob are way different than the NQ settings I found, but both are working for me. Yeah, that's the thing. They are very different. I use bots. Chart. Hey ACA, what's up? How you doing? D-Bones, I didn't see what your message was. What's up? Do I trade all sessions? Not Asia session. Whoa, look at that one go. Okay, bob to bob. Let's do this. Now it went up. Okie dokie. Nice. I'm putting 2 months on. Let's see if I'm gonna react. Maddie, have you done that? Does it work for you? If it does, cool, go for it. Bob's sort for breakout bangers. Oh, Louis, that's so cool. No, Bob's a real person. That's hilarious. Breakout bangers. That's awesome. But that being said, Maddie, do you have a system that works for you? If yes, then cool. I'm not saying anyone must change their strategy. I'm just saying it's something I'm forward testing and it works really well for me. Everyone has their own thing, right? Full pot Friday tomorrow. Are you crazy? Maya Batty, what's up, lab? How are you doing? I have no clue about trading, but would like to start. Channel says South Africa. Yeah, what's up, Kieran? I am South African. What's up? How you doing? Just kidding, guys. Don't fall port. Wink, wink. No, I'm kidding. Do not fall port. Or do. You know, you do what makes you happy. It's such a great spot for traders to chill. I bet your stream goes crazy with subs. Aw, thanks, Lance. I'm deaf for porting. Do it, Louis. But I feel like you need to. Whoa. All right then. Chill. Bro. Okay, here we go. Not so weird to say all over. It's the next financial crisis finally starting. No! Yes, I am from South Africa. What's up? I'm in Cape Town. Am I able... Nelly. I think my strategy is busted. Mine's saying to sell even though I won't. Oh, sorry. That's the thing. You could try. You're gonna see every line you put on. But if the levels work and if it reacts off of those levels, what difference does it make, right? If it's rejecting how you want to see it reject off of those levels, then awesome. Does it work 100% of the time? No. No strategy does. But it's okay, man. Like I said, I know, so Bob, the person who made this, he got an eval and passed it in 2 weeks using his Bob levels, and he's now unfunded. In 2 weeks. Just by using... That was it. That was all he did. You know, I think at the end of the day, if it works for you, who the heck is anyone else to judge, right? If you have a strategy that works, makes no sense to anyone else, but you are profitable, you are a winner. That... For me, that's just it. Maybe your edge is that you are the only one that understands it and that you've got this. You've got this, baby boo. Also South African, yeah. How's the heat treating? Oh, Kieran, it's not okay. Oh, it's not okay. Yeah. For a small account size of brokerage, would you recommend using to trade with? Chemical, well, it depends on where you are and what you're looking for. Why wait till tomorrow? Price is moving right now. Gosh. My strategy works 100% of the time, 6% of the time. Louis, I like that. Why wasting 2 weeks on an eval? Because you have to practice discipline. Good grief. Also, did I say 2 weeks? Shoot, I'm sorry. I actually meant 2 days. Wait, let me go see. He actually sent me a photo. Let me go double check. It may have actually been 2 days, not 2 weeks. Let me find it. Nope. Nope. Here we go. 2 weeks. Sorry, I lied. It was 2 weeks to pass. No, man. 2 days. What is wrong with me? People trade with. Exactly. Some people trade with moon phases. That's amazing. I'm in Derbs. Hey, I'm KZN as well, Kieran. That's amazing. Don't be a follower, be a leader for yourself. Same thing applies when trading. You have to follow your trading plan, not others. Because no one person is the same, right? I think that is the key thing with everything in life. So I'm actually a qualified personal trainer. Not one way of exercising is going to work for everyone. It may work beautifully for some people, and won't work at all because everyone is different in some unique ways, but everyone is different. And it's what keeps life interesting. Bless me. Bless me, goodness. Moon phases have to compete with ICT. What sessions do I trade the most on? Oh, I trade both London and New York session every day. Yeah. Oh, except for tomorrow. I won't be here for New York tomorrow, unfortunately. Now that the markets are actually moving, I won't be here. Sad. Well, done for now. One breaking, one TP. Done for now. Need to record my trades. Oh, Blake, well done. That's amazing. Depends if it's consistency eval. There we go. 2 weeks isn't bad. He took his time and now he's funded for him. Base hits exactly. Subscribe. Think the structure is trash. I'm going. Okay. For real though, it's true. I heard some people even trade astrology methods. Yep. Bless you. Thank you, Louis. My other strategies I've made up myself. I'm more profitable off these than well-known strategies. Exactly. Oh, thank heavens, please. No, that being said, guys. I don't know if I told all of you. Maybe I did. I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. I'm actually going shark cage diving on Sunday. Where'd what's his face go? Maddie? No comment? No comment back about everyone has different strategies and if it works for them, awesome sauce. To be fair, that is the whole point of this channel. Sorry, but it is the whole point of this channel is that there is not one way to trade. As long as you are profitable, even if you're not profitable, if you have people there supporting you, and if you're not profitable and you want help, there's people there if you ask for it, being the keyword. Or maybe if you see someone struggling, you have ideas, just, you know, go about it nicely. You're like, I saw maybe you're struggling with this. I've seen that this tends to work with this. Have a look. If they don't, you tried, right? But the whole point of this community is to be supportive. That is it. People going through red weeks, you are not alone. You're having amazing wins. Well done. That is the whole point. What's up, David? I don't even have to ask. I know it's you. For futures trading, if you had only $100, is it possible to trade still? Chemical, it is. It is. You can use a prop firm. Ah, thanks, Lance. Isn't possible, but trades must be ace setups. Sounds like the market wants up a little bit. You're going, what diving? No timing. Water. Also don't hear the water either. Yes, a shark cage diving. What's up? Mr. G-Hope. How you doing? Sup, Dio? How you doing? Man, would this have been an A+? No. Unfortunately, no way. Let me just double check something. No, it wasn't an A+. You can't force it to look like an A+ either. Hey! Shout out to David. Thanks for the dodo. Good. I wanted to go fishing, but it's too damn hot. Yeah, listen. Kieran, I get that. A+ short. Nice. Wait, for you, is this about to be an A+ short? The fact that it keeps rejecting off of the top, maybe. Like I said, I like the long for the fact that it kept rejecting. It could not break solidly below this bob level. Let's see. If I send you my PayPal, can you pin it for me? No, Explorer. No. I've spent 12 hours in the last 2 days fishing. Damn, aren't you just a cool kid? Aw, guys. Aw, man. Seriously, now it's starting to move solidly. And I gotta go. Oh well, it's fine. Please make a good trading for those who got... Well, to be fair, I gotta go as well. Short's getting paid. Well, I would say to be fair, I think both are getting paid depending on when you entered, right? Anyways. Okay. I will call it there then today. That was fun. That was a good morning. I will be back for New York. Let's see. Today might be the day if a solid setup proves itself that I will try a bob to bob level during New York session. If being the key word. If there's a solid setup and I'm super confident in it, I might try a bob to bob out. But just for one micro as well. Until then, guys, have fun. This now looks like it woke up. It only took half the freaking time. I did have fun though. Today was much better than yesterday. For anyone still trading, what am I doing? Oh, I'm doing something. There we go. For anyone who's still trading, trade safe. Don't forget to press that like button. If you guys want discounts, there's some awesome specials going on. You can use my code, TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. I think that's it. Okay, trade safe, guys. I'll be back for New York session. 3:15 p.m. for the South Africa's, the Sappers over here. And it'll be 9:15 a.m. EST time for everyone else. Okay, but I love you guys. I'll then see you guys later. Trade